guys, Chocolate Muffin HD here, and before you click off this video because the audio is so bad right now, trust me, it will get better. It will be on the screen either here or here. It will be on the screen somewhere where you can skip to and see the new audio because I'm getting a brand new microphone today. So yeah, let's sit down, let's discuss it. So, like I said, the audio is going to be really bad right now because I haven't got my new microphone. The microphone I'm getting is the Rode Video Mic Pro, which is, I think it's one of the best microphones from Rode at the moment because it's got an external battery and stuff and there'll be no static at all. I found this on the website, on Google and stuff. I was looking, normally it is around about £150, which is for me a lot of money really. And I found one which was used, which was £79 from a website called MPB. MPB are like a retailer, I guess. They just buy and sell like different camera equipment, and I'm gonna be going on my experience really. Let's get into it. The first thing you got to do is you got to put a quote in, which is what you want to sell, or you can part exchange, or you can just buy it outright now. There'll be a picture on screen right now of what I did. So I sold my Video Micro, which is my old Rode Video Mic, which was on here, which I don't have it right now. And as you can see, it all totaled up for a nice price. I also added my like external lens that I don't really care about, which was my Canon, I think it was 18 to 55mm lens, as you'll see. It was a nice price of £29. From £79 just to get rid of some stuff that I don't really care about, for £29 is pretty good. Excuse my kitchen, it's absolute mess right now. I just needed some good lighting to do this video. But yeah, that was a pretty good deal. £29 for stuff that I don't really care about. And I shipped it all off, as you see. I don't have them with me, but I'll put a little picture up on screen. You get like little DPD things, and I'll also put the email on as well. They come and collect it, and then it gets shipped back to them, and then they send you an email with what they think of your equipment. As you saw, my lens wasn't good enough for them. Apparently there was some like fungi or something growing in the lens, which I didn't even know. I didn't actually check it, which I should have done because it kind of just wasted more of the time. I could have had the lens now. It didn't really take that long really. It took maybe about a week. I think it's the 13th today. Is it the 13th? I don't know. It's the 13th today, 13th of August. You'll be seeing this video either today on the 13th or 14th tomorrow. But yeah, they send you an email, and instead of £29, I had to pay £54. And they sent me back my lens, which I haven't got it yet. It's coming in the next couple of hours. But yeah, I was so gutted because I wanted to pay £29 instead of £54 I think it was, which is still fine. Getting a lens cheaper than £79, which was pretty good. So yeah, I recommend doing the part exchange if you've got any like camera equipment. They do buy stuff off of you. They technically did buy the Rode microphone off me, and they gave me a discount, which was pretty good. It's coming in the next few hours, so yeah, I'll catch back in when it's here, and then we'll do a proper review on it. Just forgot to add, I'm wearing some JJ clothing merch. Link in the description if you want to buy it. I'll see you in a minute. Right guys, we have now got the parcel. As you can see, it's a massive box, and let's get into it. You can probably see down there I have got my suitcase ready for insomnia, which is coming up in a couple of days. Well, it's like 8 days, but yeah, let's get into this box. Right, so I've got a little pen knife, well, a little knife. Let's cut it. It's not trying to show my address. Right, let's cut into the box. I'm gonna try and be careful here because this is a very good piece of kit. Don't want to ruin it. Struggling to get the box open. There we go. Right, that side's open. Can we open it, or should we cut down? Let's cut down. There we go. First impression, does come in a really nice box. As you can see, this is upside down, but as you can see, it says change gear across the entire box, which is really nice. The only thing that I don't like is that I had to wait like 5 hours for a delivery. I'll put it on screen right now, but he was literally right next to my house, and I literally could have just walked to the van and picked it up, but instead, yeah, I had to wait 5 hours. Right, so we got some nice bubble wrap as we're opening the box. Alright, let's completely open it. Oh, here we go. Nice bubble wrap, as you can see. Doesn't really matter. We've got my old camera lens, I think this is. Yeah, this is my old camera lens, and we're not going to talk about that yet. And then we have the mic right here in the box. First of all, I just want to open my camera lens a minute and just have a look. Just have a look at what they mean by there was some fungi growing on it. Because from what I saw, there wasn't. Apparently you can flash a flashlight through it and you can see, but from what I can see is I can't actually see anything. I cannot see anything. If you can see in there, tell me if you can see anything. I mean, doesn't matter. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty clean. I mean, they've cleaned it up for me at least, which is a thank you. But no one's here to see about my lens, are they? The lighting is horrible in this room. Let's get into it. Right. Don't want to break it as soon as it comes out. Oh, come on. We can get into this. So, what we've been waiting for is this bad boy, the Rode VideoMic Pro. As you can see, it is used. It's got like some scuffs on the box as well. Yeah, as you can see, it's got little scuffs down here. As you can see, it's open from the back. It's got little labels on and stuff. But yeah, can we open this? How do we open it? I guess we just pull this from the bag. It's very shaky. That doesn't seem good. As we go, we open it. Oh, they give you a 9-volt battery anyway. I never knew they gave you a battery. I've got like 5 of these. I have some rechargeable ones as well, but I've got like 5 of these already. So thank you MPB for giving me a battery. That's another battery for my collection. So as you can see, this is nice. It's a nice microphone. Can you see that? I don't know. As you can see, it says Rode across it, and yeah, it's got some little bits of dirt on it, which I'm not too fussed about because I can clean it. It's some of the brackets have come loose, I think, on this side. I don't really know how these. As it's a shotgun mic, it does move around. So as you can see, it's got all this. That's where you put the battery in, and yeah, you got some little bit of accessories as well. I think these are just new straps, which is fine. You get a load of straps, which are these little bits here. As you can probably, I don't know if you can see. Can you see them? Let me just try tap on here. Yeah, as you can see, there's like little straps here, which are pretty good. So let's put the battery in. Let's put it on the camera. Another update, guys. I just opened it. There's another battery in it. So now I've got like 80 batteries to go to Insomnia with and charge this. This is actually a really good unboxing. They gave me 2 batteries. Thank you for that. Let's put the mic on. Oops. Right, we've now got the microphone on. It took me longer than I expected to put the back on. I literally had to rip the entire front off. So this bit here, I had to rip it off and put the battery back in. But as you can see, as you can hear, more like, I think it sounds a lot better. There might be a bit of static. I need to mess around with some of the settings, but I'm going to give this mic a 10 out of 10. Like I said, this is one of the best microphones on the market at the moment. So, yeah, what do you think? Do you prefer the camera microphone, as you hear? Or do you prefer the Rode VideoMic Pro microphone? Or did you prefer my Video Micro? Tell me which one in the comments. This is going to wrap up this video. If you liked this video and enjoyed it and stuff, remember to like the video. Subscribe if you're new around here. I do post loads of these videos around. This is going to be my main go-to setup for when I'm in Birmingham, filming around Insomnia. Just need to change the batteries. I really need to get to know how to change the batteries because Jesus, that took me long. Anyway, see you later guys. Bye.